Hi, this is Wu Jiang. Welcome to my channel. It's already been a year and a half since I took delivery of my Cybertruck. Over that time, I've bought and tested a lot of different products, and honestly, I went through quite a bit of trial and error. So today, I want to share the exterior accessories that I finally settled on and use often. I'll tell you the real pros and cons I felt while using them. I'll also leave links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. First up, this is more of a modification than an accessory. It's color PPF. As you know, the Cybertruck body is stainless steel, so you can't exactly pick a paint color. That's why a lot of owners change the look with color PPF or vinyl wrap. Getting it done at a shop is pretty pricey, so I bought a pre-cut film kit and did it myself. I thought about the color a lot, but I decided on glossy black with a subtle flake in it. Since it was my first time wrapping, it's not perfect, but I am super satisfied with how it looks. If you're curious about the process, I'll link my installation video up here. Next is the Mars Adventure Gear Expedition Roof Rack. I compared a lot of brands, but I went with Mars because their design and build quality really stood out to me. I was originally looking for a rack to mount a rooftop tent. I first tried a bed rack setup in the back, but it made utilizing the truck bed space a bit difficult. So, I eventually settled on this roof rack setup. The tent on top is also from Mars, the Aeroblade model. It's really thin and lightweight that I just leave it mounted even when I'm not camping. It does affect battery efficiency a little bit, but honestly, I think it looks so good that I just keep it on. Third is the Kammok Awning. If you don't go camping often, you probably don't need this. But the biggest advantage of this product is the setup speed. It is so much faster and easier to open and close compared to other awnings, so I end up using it a lot. It's perfect for when I'm at a park and want some shade, or even for a quick meal space when it suddenly starts raining while camping. They have different mounting options, so you can set it up however you like. Just keep in mind, since it sticks out a bit and it adds some wind resistance and can slightly impact your range. Inside the truck bed, I installed side Molle panels. Tesla sells an official version, but I bought a third-party product. The design is exactly the same, but the price is much cheaper. I mounted things like a fire extinguisher, a mini camping shovel, and a saw. Since it's a Molle system, you can mount whatever you want, so it's super versatile. To maximize the bed space, I also added lower Molle panels. It comes with 3 side panels, but I'm only using the ones on the sides. The panels are wide and have great support, so they can hold pretty heavy items. On the right side, I mounted a water tank. It's very sturdy, stays in place, and doesn't rattle at all. I also set up a Milwaukee pack-out mount for easy access. On the left side, I set it up to mount things like a camping axe. Next is the Tmat Bed Mat. I used to use a rubber floor mat, but since the bed is so deep, it was always a struggle to get things out from the back. I used to carry a long stick with a hook and just to fish items out, and things would roll around everywhere. This Tmat is modular, so you can order it to fit the bed size and assemble it. You can plug blockers into the X-shaped grooves to keep your cargo locked in place. If you use it as one big piece mat, it's hard to open the subtrunk. So I split it into 2 sections and connected them with a 3D printed connector. I also added a custom handle so I can easily pull the mat out and push it back in like a drawer. This way, I can easily reach items deep in the bed and I can still access the subtrunk without any issues. I also use 3D printed blockers to hold my storage bins in place. It's so convenient. Side running boards are definitely a must-have. Since the Cybertruck sits high, having a step makes getting in and out so much easier. There's the easy entry feature that lowers the truck when parked, but running boards are super useful when washing the car or loading gear onto the roof rack. For the side mirrors, I put on carbon fiber mirror covers. The stock mirrors are a matte plastic, but adding the carbon fiber gives it a nice dress-up effect. Plus, I like that it provides a layer of protection against rock chips or scratches while driving. If you buy the Cyberbeast model in the US, it comes with the OEM Tesla light bar. Since I purchased the dual motor model, I installed a third-party light bar. It doesn't have finder control like the OEM one, but it's incredibly bright and useful for off-roading or really dark areas. I'll link my installation video up there if you're interested. Finally, mud flaps. This is actually my second set. The first ones I bought were hard plastic, so when I lowered the suspension and went over a tall speed bump, they would sometimes scrape. So I switched to these flexible rubber ones, and now I use them without any worry of scraping. Those are the exterior accessories I've settled on after 1.5 years with the Cybertruck. In the next video, I'll round up all the interior accessories I'm using, so make sure to subscribe and like so you don't miss it. See ya!